Today, in fact, is we've announced the launch of the Cloud Ethernet Forum, and so we're two representatives, therefore, of that. So it's so new, in fact, that the website goes live tomorrow. So it's brand new, and in fact, it's gone very quickly. Thinking about this. Amongst the industry players in December of last year, and in May we've already launched it. So it shows that it's an urgent need that we're covering. In a variety of different areas to address problems to do with growing very large data center environments. So data centers connected together on a geographic or multi-geographic basis. So I wouldn't be telling you anything you didn't know already, that there's this thing out there that's called cloud. There's quite a lot of interest in it that's going on. Here are some of the players, Google and Salesforce and all that sort of thing. They all operate in different types of areas, and some of them operate in multiple areas. This is an area that has grown quicker than I think anybody in the industry expected. It's got very much quicker, grown very much quicker than we thought it would. And as a result, some of the underpinnings of things like data centers and so on, and WAN services, the need for growth in cloud is starting to outstrip the ability of the infrastructure to support it. The customer is going to go to somebody who can solve their problems, and we need, as an industry, we need to be able to serve that. So data center providers, WAN service providers, system integrators, network equipment vendors, cloud service providers, cloud infrastructure providers. So here we're talking about the actual software developers and so on. People like VMware, Citrix, networking equipment, but they also make Nuage networks, which is an SDN control infrastructure. HP have a very large OpenStack implementation, and they're very concerned about this, but they also make network switches. Equinix doesn't build anything except data centers, and they have very large numbers of customers they need to connect together. Juniper, PCCW, Spirent makes test equipment, so interoperability and so on. Tata is Tata, and Verizon. So there's a mixture of service providers and so on, and we will announce more over coming weeks as well, and you'll see more sometimes from the end user community, sometimes from the cloud orchestration community, sometimes. So we're covering quite a large variety of different things. And although we're very closely associated with the MEF, and we share back-end resources, administrative and so on, to bring us to market very quickly, we are also attracting companies that would not normally join the MEF because they're not interested in Ethernet services per se. What they are interested in is, how do I build very big infrastructures to support the demands of my customers?